Hi, my name is Tim O'Brien, and this is a closeout report for the project Paperless Cross-Border Trade. We presented this in the Nation Building App Challenge for Fund 7. So we addressed a couple of the big KPIs in that, and we certainly addressed a lot which was in Hernando de Soto's book, which was kind of the guiding theme of that challenge. But in particular, we helped governments get lead time on the dependencies on red tape, and we also have a commercial approach and negotiating strategy with different governments. So obviously, since we're a paperless cross-border trade, we improve the efficiencies quite a bit, and particularly the red tape in customs, which was also an agency that was called out in the challenge. So as far as the strategies and so on, we're aligning ourselves with some international trade organizations which already have tried to accomplish what our software can do with five governments and pilots, and I anticipate that we'll have a chance to talk with them about using our solution. So everything went very well. We had several initial meetings with representatives of the Singaporean government, Trade Trust, and IMDA. IMDA is an organization under the umbrella of the Singapore government. It's been kind of privatized. So we got the requirements. Everything went swimmingly. One of the things that kind of surprised us is that there was already discussions of using DIDs, and we decided to go all in on DIDs for the solution, since it was something I'd already been through the Ottawa prison program, and we had so we had some expertise in that. So what we did was build a DID-based document management system. What it did is allow verification of documents as they were handed between different parties, whether they were government entities or banks, other financial insurance companies, for instance. So the documents could always be uploaded into our site and verified, and we could also create a paper trail on the Cardano blockchain. And we did this by plugging in metadata, so everything that occurred on the document, whether it was storage, deletion, change of ownership, was traced on the Cardano blockchain. So it was a very efficient solution, and was designed such that it would be a drop-in replacement for for solutions that currently had been piloted. So we managed our 3-month documentation. We kept a rolling updates on our projects on our website, and we initiated our 3 months. After 3 months, we had the project initiation and planning documents on our website. We provided a link for that in our closeout report, at the bottom of our closeout report. We also did reach the point where we finalized in-house. We can run through all the use cases of a paperless trade application, tested them under high volume. They test very well, and now we're working on interoperability with other solutions. So I think there's a little bit of a decision to be made whether or not the Trade Trust should migrate only to Cardano or maintain 2 or even more protocols. But we're leaving that up to them. So we are still consulting with their engineers. I think our proposal was in 2 parts, and this was part 1. Part 1 was to build the system. Part 2 was to go on the road and work with a lot of government organizations, trade organizations. We have some conversations we've started in Kenya. We have begun to reach out to Ghana, try to bring paperless cross-border trade to countries in Africa, because it really, really does increase economic efficiency, which everybody can use nowadays. So, one comment I'll make that I know I'm supposed to do a project demo. Just couldn't figure a way to fit it into 5 minutes. We did give presentations in town hall, gave a full demo in town hall of how it worked, and we have a copy of that. We have a copy of the demo that was given in the town hall, and various other documentations. So I think rather than doing it in one video, we're going to have to split this in two. Apologize for that. I did reach out on the groups to try to see if that would be approved, but that was, I guess, these are very busy times. So I hope you will accept this. So again, thanks to everybody. Thanks. It was a very enjoyable project. Thanks to the representatives of the Singaporean government, of Trade Trust, of IMDA. And thanks for the people in Catalyst and the hard work they do. It makes everything run smoothly for us. And so, hope to see you soon. Hope to see you in phase 2. Bye.